Swiss chard might just be the most underrated green in the garden. It's beautiful, it's tough, and it can keep producing for you almost all year long. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to grow Swiss chard step by step, plus, how to harvest it so you never run out of fresh greens again. First off, let's talk about why Swiss chard deserves a spot in your garden. This plant is a superstar for beginners because it's so forgiving, and honestly, seasoned gardeners love it because it just keeps pumping out leaves. It handles heat better than spinach, lasts longer than kale, and unlike lettuce, it doesn't rush to bolt when temperatures climb. Planting it is easy. Swiss chard likes rich, well-drained soil, but it's honestly not fussy. Just add some compost, loosen your soil, and you're good to go. Direct sow the seeds about half an inch deep, or start them indoors for a head start. Each seed cluster can give you a few seedlings, so make sure to thin them out to about 6 to 8 inches apart once they sprout. When it comes to care, Swiss chard loves steady moisture, especially during summer heat waves. Mulch around the base to keep the soil cool and moist. And here's a great tip. Chard actually thrives in partial shade, so if your summers really heat up, tuck it where it'll get some afternoon relief. Now, for harvesting, this is where Swiss chard really shines. Don't pull up the whole plant, instead, use the cut and come again method. Snip off the outer leaves and the center will keep sending up new growth. With this method, you can keep a single planting going for months, or even a whole year if your climate is mild. If you live where winters get cold, Swiss chard can survive light frosts. Throw a row cover or frost cloth over your plants, and you'll be amazed at how far into winter they'll keep producing. In warm climates, it'll grow right through winter and give you early spring harvests before most other greens even wake up. And finally, why is it worth growing? Swiss chard is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, plus minerals like magnesium and iron. It's also super versatile in the kitchen. Sauté it, toss it in soups, or use those colorful stems in your next stir-fry. So, if you've been overlooking Swiss chard, give it a shot. It's colorful, nutritious, and might just become the hardest working green in your garden. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more soil-smart gardening tips, and let me know in the comments, do you prefer Swiss chard, spinach, or kale in your garden?